In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the calendar view to a day view in Microsoft Outlook for 2025. This is a straightforward process, but a very handy one if you frequently need to focus on the detailed schedule of a single day. Let's dive in and walk through each step clearly and thoroughly. First things first, you'll want to open Microsoft Outlook on your device. If you're not already in the calendar section, direct yourself there. You might be starting out in your inbox or another part of Outlook, but for today, we're focusing on calendars. Simply look for the calendar icon, usually located in the lower left corner of the screen. Clicking this icon will transport you into the calendar realm of Outlook. Now, once you're viewing your calendar, let's move our attention to the top of the window where the menu options reside. You'll want to click on the View tab. This tab serves as your gateway to altering how your calendar displays its information. The process might seem intuitive for some, but it's always good to go step by step to ensure nothing is overlooked. As you click on the View tab, you'll notice several options and groups to choose from. In this instance, we need the Arrange group. This is where Outlook allows you to customize how your events and appointments are organized and displayed on your screen. Keep your eyes peeled for these options as they hold the key to tailoring your calendar view. Now that you're in the Arrange group, it's time to select the Day option. This single click will shift your calendar's perspective from potentially weeks or months into a focused, detailed, single-day view. You should immediately notice the difference on your screen as Outlook reconfigures to showcase just one day's schedule. And there you have it. With these steps, your calendar is now successfully displaying a single-day view, enabling you to concentrate on the events planned for just that day. This tailored approach can be particularly beneficial when you have a jam-packed day filled with meetings or appointments and need to keep a close watch on your entire schedule. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Changing back to a week or month view is just as simple. Just revisit the Arrange group in the View tab and select the view that best suits your current needs. It's that easy, and it's a great way to toggle between views, depending on what your schedule demands. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and now feel confident to adjust your calendar view in Outlook to better meet your needs. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on optimizing your use of Microsoft Outlook and all its features.